Hi everyone, Carol's here. Today I'm going to do a funnel pour. Not an open cup, I guess you would call it. So I'm going to push, I have white paint down. It's my white house paint and floetrol. So I've never done this before, so I'm going to give it a try. See, so it's open in the bottom. I'm going to pour paint in here and just let it flow. So I'm going to use Artist Loft Gold, Artist Loft Bright Red, Artist Loft Yellow, and might put a little more white in. I have some Deco Art white mixed up. So I'm gonna put a little white in the bottom. I know there's already white on the canvas, but then I'm gonna put some yellow. I'm not sure if I needed thinner paints for this, but it's using my regular mixture. And we'll see what happens. I'm just trying. Oh, I have some green also. Oh, and you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put my silicone in. So you know what I'm gonna do? Just gonna drop a drop in here and hope for the best. Here we go. This is treadmill silicone. There's about a drop and a half in there. I'm gonna put it in the green also. This is a couple of different greens mixed together. I think they're Deco Art and Liquitex, I think. Let's give it a small stir. Some more red. Whoop! I missed the whole canvas. That wasn't brilliant. There. It's all good. And this is a board that I'm using. It's a wooden board that I decoed over top of. So I'm going to let a little bit out the bottom. I think the idea is to let it out slowly. guess you can drag it if you want. You don't need a lot of paint. Wow. Let's try and move it around a bit. Come back this way. Interesting. Have it come back more the other way. I get so involved in my painting I forget to put you in camera. Wow. I wonder if my torch will do anything. I like the big cells. Whoa, more coming. Whoops. Whoops. Whoa, look at those. A little close there. Well, that's an interesting pour. I want to do another one. I wonder what would happen if I... Well, it's unique, that's for sure. Just wanted to fill in some of that white there. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. Well, maybe I'll try and just blow over here a little bit. A lot of little tiny cells there. I thought I would try and blow them apart, but no, it doesn't want to blow apart. Anyways, I'll give you a close-up, and then I'll try a different one with more watery paint, but I like how it came out. Awesome! Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel. I've adjusted my camera so I don't have to reach as far, and you will almost always be in the camera shot. All right, thank you. Hi everyone. I came to see my dried paintings. And there's two of them here. This is the open cup flip that I did. Dried pretty good. This white house paint is so smooth. There's still a little silicone residue sitting on top, but that's going to be cleaned off soon. It's been about a week or so. Clean it off with some cornstarch, as I used the treadmill silicone in this, which is in this little bottle here. But I like them. I like how they turned out. I like the colors, everything. All right. Thanks for watching. Come back soon.